Hello there all. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon and I'm here with a project share. This is called The Crate. The Crate box and album set. You can find this on my website, paperphenomenon.com. I want to tell you, I want to say this, I want to emphasize this. This is another Janice Freeman project. Okay? And it is absolutely stunning. Let's talk about papers very quickly. All right, this is a digital collection. So she printed these herself, and it is from My Porch Prints. And this one is called French Rabbit. So cute. It's got a little bit of an Easter spin on it, but maybe not. Bunnies are cute. They don't have to be Easter all the time. Let's look inside and see if it's Easter-esque or Easter. All right. Look at that, how beautiful and substantial this thing is. It is no joke. Here we've got the fabulous double-sided album. I forget what she calls her version of this. Forgive me, but all of the instructions, you get a tutorial. Just expect what you get from Paper Phenomenon as a tutorial, as instructions. That's why it's on my website. All right. So Janice created this fabulous album and used that beautiful paper collection from My Porch Prints, again, French Rabbit collection. And she did this up beautifully. Love the booklet here. Very beautiful on the matting as always. A ton of opportunities for photos right here on the inside cover pocket. This is a really nice size album. It's got a good feel and weight to it. Not too much, not too little. Let me get my ruler here. Where are you, ruler? I got to put a little bell on it. All right, here we go. So 10 by 5.5-ish roughly measurement, okay? So the box is a little larger than that. And I love that you get two sides. So you can use this for twins, anything that you need twosies for, right? Groom and bride, mom and dad, brother or sister, la da 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 da. You get the idea, right? So it's really cute when you can combine two themes or two different people in one album. I think it's a great space saver, especially when we're doing an album for every occasion because we just love making these, right? We don't need an occasion to make an album. This paper is really beautiful. So we've got some bunnies here. I got to say, it's not screaming Easter to me. I think it's really pretty. I would even use this paper for a baby girl project. It's beautiful. I have totally seen baby girl rooms decorated in this kind of beautiful bunny theme. I like to say bunny. And here we've got a stacked pocket with multiple opportunities for photographs, those 4x6s, those 3x4s, really beautiful. I love the layering of the paper, just continuing that on to capture the full design on the paper, which is a must. You don't lose that design. Here we've got a little pocket or a deconstructed envelope right here, which folds out. So wonderful. I love how she leaves me little notes. a little map right there. Is it a booklet? This is a booklet. Look at that. This is so gorgeous. Seriously. If you use this paper collection for a baby girl project, please let me know. So darling. I think I'm going to buy this paper collection. I love it so much. Look at that. How beautiful. So pretty. And of course, room for photos, really cute pocket card, magnet. Listen up. You hear it? You hear that little snap? Again, the stacked pocket with photo mats. Really beautiful, subtle, traditional matting here. I love to see this. I love to see where you can take one piece of paper, mat the whole page in the same piece of paper and still get such a beautiful look like this. And that just makes it easy. It takes the guesswork out of matching small, medium, and large print, coordinating colors, and all that good stuff. So this is one paper. And then just do it up, guys. Chop it up and, that's the closure. And mat. You don't have to think too much. See, same paper, same paper. Look at this. Love, love. Oh my gosh, this little bunny. How cute. Escape the ordinary. Love, love, love. Ah, this is so pretty. These are great images. Wow, stunning. Look at this. This is scraps right here. You can do this with your scraps. Instead of cutting into a brand new sheet of paper, grab those scraps, consider doing something like this, and it'll be a showstopper. It'll be really, really beautiful. You're using a collection, so they're going to go together. So consider using those scraps and creating some kind of quilted effect. I did this a while ago on one of my the memory box project. You can do all sorts of things with scrap papers. So think about that. Oh, cute little envelope here. Love. This is a fun swing out panel here with this stacked pocket here. Love. And this feels like a booklet too. Pretty, pretty. These are really nice. Good job, my Porch Prince. This is a gorgeous paper collection. And of course, the project is amazing. All right, this album will look absolutely stunning in any paper choice. There's lots of room, a really nice balance between paper and photo. You get clear defining areas for photos, pockets, shallow pockets, so you can really display those images and the artistry on the paper. So all sorts of good things, all sorts of good things. Flip it over and you've got album number 2. What a great way to celebrate a lot. I talk about myself. I take pictures of small events, small events, 5 pictures here, 6 pictures there for all sorts of different things. This is a great album to do something like that in because you don't have to fill up a full album. You got like a half a album, half a album. You could do, I don't know, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Halloween, Christmas, something like that. Consider that when you're thinking about how to display your pictures in these beautiful albums. Look, this color is so much more vivid, really beautiful. I love that in a vintage paper where you've got that vintage look, but still you've got the vibrant colors. A lot of the vintage collections, they tend to mute the colors. Not my fave. This, where you have a saturation of color, I love. Look at how beautiful. Love this old school punch out here. Really nice. Taking us back to the basics. Love that. Look at that stacked pocket in here. Really pretty. These are not necessarily stacked pockets. These are insertion points where we do just glue on the 3 sides where you can't really put too much in there. Okay. You just create a little bit more real estate when you stack a few pieces of paper together, and you use less room when you do it like this. All right. So it doesn't always have to be a pocket. You can create pockets in all sorts of different ways. Beautiful medallion here on the stacked pocket. This is a stacked pocket. All right. And then look at that once again, my friends. Absolute beauty. Clear defining areas for photos. 8 photos right here only on these photo spots, not counting the pockets, the pullouts, and all the fun, 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 fun things. How beautiful is this? Excellent, excellent matting. I think there's something in here. Sometimes you put some little treasures. Let's see. Oh, how cute. I'm sure all of these pieces come with a paper collection or perhaps an add-on of some sort, but it seems like it's from the same collection. All right. And that is French Rabbit. So darling. Absolutely darling. Love. All right. That closes up like so. Another quick fold. We've got that left side panel here and the stacked pocket once again. These bunnies are adorbs. So this is just a full matted page. There is no opportunity for a photo here, but consider using this as a photo area. What a beautiful photo you can get in here. You can even do a crop down version of an 8x10 and get this really beautiful photo area here. So again, consider it when you're matting, guys, and you have your pictures all printed. Print some 8x10s. You can always crop them. Selfies are not good when you print those like in an 8x10 because they're so up close that there's no white space. You need an 8x10 or a photo that has some white space where you can chop chop it up to fit it in a size like this, because this is not a traditional photo size. So selfie may not work. Too close up, you can't chop it up. All right. Look at this. Ah, how pretty. How pretty. I love it. The bunnies are adorable. He looks like he's like munching on something there, right? So freaking cute. All sorts of goodies, all sorts of interaction here. You can do, oh my goodness, how fun is this? Absolutely adorable. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Some more goodies. My little roadmap. Really cute. Oh, I love, 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 love. These are gorgeous, gorgeous projects. Is this, what is this? Oh, this goes, is this a closure? Oh no, that's it. Okay. I was trying to show the bunny some sewing. I love sewing. I love sewing now. I finally grew a set and started and started sewing on my projects after I've been talking about it for a decade probably. Oh, I'm gonna sew, I'm gonna sew, I'm gonna sew. And I haven't. Finally, 2021, I did a little bit of sewing on a Halloween project, so I was proud of that. So adorable. Insertion point right here, not necessarily a pocket. Okay, look at all these goodies in here. All of the notes that you can write in here. You can save some receipts in here. Really cute. Really, really cute. And this string and button closure. I love this single button closure, is my favorite. And I can't remember where I pulled this out from, but adorable. And that's it. I hate to tell you that that's it. I am done. Another marvelous, marvelous masterpiece by Janice Freeman. Absolutely gorgeous. Support our fellow crafters. You will find this on the Paper Phenomenon website. However, this is a Janice Freeman project and it's stunning. All right. It's absolutely stunning. And if you don't add this to your library of tutorials, you're missing out, my friends. Missing out. I love, let me point out the layering here on this crate. Very, very beautifully done. Just gorgeous. Look at that. How stunning that is. Simple matting. Check out the little hang tag right here. How lovely that is. And that's it. It doesn't have to be all junked up, right? Look at this. How stunning. There's a time and place for lots of embellishments, and there's the occasion where the paper speaks for itself, and it is stunning. All right, so the crate, my friends, paperphenomenon.com. Typically, when I show a project like this on the video, if you're watching it today, April 6th, there may be a 50% off. So check it out whenever you're watching this video. You may get lucky. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.